TTAC Live Self-Study Guide Video Series, Part 7. 1 Live Trade Signal. With a staggering 699 points. Low drawdown. Curious? Well, stick around to discover this ultimate trading strategy that will blow your mind. Let's get started. Jumping right in, here we are again with some updates on US30 1-hour time frame. In Part 6 of this video series, price reached a daily time frame opposing key level at 1900 hours GMT plus 2 on May 2nd, where your attention was drawn to market void 2, which was yet to be filled. It was also explicitly stated that, given the key level at which price was sitting on May 2nd, a drop in price was expected for starters, before any potential gap fill. True to form, we did get an initial price drop of over 380 points as shown here. Let's now drill down to the 5-minute time frame to examine the price drop in detail. As shown here, these are great buy signal moves that preceded the price drop from 1900 hours. It is good practice to always measure these moves, as decreasing signal moves are telltale signs of waning momentum, signaling a potential turning point in the market, be it long-term or short-term. This way, you are poised for exploring shorts in a scenario like this, following a shift in market structure and a retracement. You can clearly see the diminishing gains right from the first buy signal to the last. You can also see we get a pullback, but price failed to make a higher high after running the preceding swing high. What follows are sell signals that could be capitalized on, whilst watching out for key levels that may be encountered due to price reactions at these levels. Let's mark this swing low after the London session low breach, and quickly examine these signal moves. Granted, you're not going to trade them all, but note how each of these trade signals offer decent moves, not to mention the tolerable drawdowns for every one of them. Measuring these moves helps to familiarize yourself with the performance of this phenomenal all-in-one indicator on the instrument being traded, showcasing its suitability for the different styles of trading, namely scalping, day trading, and swing trading. Gaining real insight into the technical tool being employed is crucial in making decisive moves when exploring high-probability trade setups. Moments later on May 5th, let's examine this live sell signal that was generated at 22:05. This came after the market rallied from our previously marked level following the London session low breach to taking out the previous day high. You can see an active sell trade entry based on this well-placed signal. Let's now monitor the moves as the chart unfolds. Note also these amazing buy signal moves that took out the previous day high. Watch how price takes out one swing low after another with this downward momentum. Let's now update this first sell signal move accordingly. That's a massive 179-point move so far. Let's take a quick glance at the daily time frame to see this market from a bigger picture perspective. And that's the 1-hour time frame view. Note the sell signal entry level's close proximity to the higher time frame key zone, significant areas at which high probability trade setups should be explored. Back on the 5-minute time frame. As the market draws to a close, we can now exit this sell trade at this level. We will continue to monitor the signal move to attain the maximum gains. The market reopens, and hours later on May 6th, we see a further drop in price, just as anticipated. More sell signals have been generated as seen here. We can now update the first sell signal move and examine some of the subsequent ones. That's a massive 299-point move and counting. If you find this video informative, please give it a like, comment, and share with others. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell to be notified of future videos, as well as the free upcoming TTAC live sessions. Get ready for an eye-opening and game-changing experience. You can see dynamite signals right here, with little to no drawdown. Amazing. The first sell signal is sitting pretty. We are talking a whopping 428 points so far. Beautiful, who wouldn't want that? As more signals are triggered, we'll quickly update these moves whilst focusing on just the sell signals for now, especially the very first one, in a bid to obtain the maximum gains. That's yet another sell signal triggered following the retracement. Let's quickly update these moves as the market draws to a close. Now, we can see the very first sell signal offered a staggering 699-point move with low drawdown by the end of the next day, May 6th. We also got dynamite signals with little to no drawdown as seen here. Simply phenomenal. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, give it a like, comment, share with others, and subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell to be notified of future videos and the upcoming free TTAC live sessions. See you in the next one.